How to outsource SEO quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to outsource SEO of your e-commerce business or your website. Quick and easy tutorial for beginners. So let's get started. What is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it plays an important role in ranking your website higher in Google search results. Whenever you create a website or an e commerce business online, we want our business to be out there and we want to work on the SEO. In SEO, there are different types of SEO. We have on page SEO, off page SEO, technical SEO, there is keyword research, there is analysis and competition research, and then there is a full package too that allows us to work and create backlinks, and we can involve everything in that package. So, how to outsource SEO? What is outsourcing? Outsourcing means that I will be able to automate my work and I will hire people to do the SEO for me because I don't have time. I have my own business. Let's say I have a website, but I want to work on the SEO, but I want to automate work and I want to hire skilled people for that. So what I want you guys to do is simply go to Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is a freelancing platform. There are other platforms as well, such as Upwork.com, People Per Hour, and others. Go to a freelancing platform and you need to sign up. The signing up process is really easy. You can sign up with your Google account. Once you sign up, then you will be able to find different freelancers working in different niches. And these freelancers are skilled people, pro in their field, that help you, create designs or do digital marketing and even help you with the SEO. What you guys need to do is on Fiverr, go to trending and then click on search engine optimization SEO. Here I will find a team for myself and I will find people to outsource my work. Here again, you can see we have off-page SEO, on-page SEO, keyword research, technical SEO, competitor analysis, full SEO package, and voice search SEO. Now I can hire different people. If I am creating a company or an agency, then I will hire different people for each of the niche. And then if I want to hire like a single person to save money and to save time, then I can go with a full SEO package. So I have a website and I want to hire someone for off-page SEO. Click right here to customize your search and it will open up the freelancers working for off-page SEO. Utilize off-page strategies to help improve your site's ranking and overall traffic. Here we have freelancers and you can see they create their gigs. When it comes to hiring a freelancer, it's actually really easy. You contact them and hire them, and the prices are very cheap too. So if you're thinking that you will now have to invest thousands of dollars or it will take a lot of money and time, well, that's not the case. You can hire people for $10 per hour, $5 per hour, even $20 per hour, or you can go with a fixed price like $100, $200 or so. So here we have off-page SEO and we have like service options, seller, and budget. So what I like to do is you can select a budget from here, and what you can do is you can add your maximum budget and then you will find people. You can see this person. I will do wide head, high quality, contextual, do follow authority. I will high quality, wide head, contextual. I will increase HF domain. I will increase your do follow backlinks. I will create high quality backlinks. So all of these people are actually SEO experts that I can hire for the SEO of my page, and I don't have to even do anything. I will outsource my work to the freelancers. Similarly, I can hire someone from the on-page SEO. On-page SEO is actually one of the most important SEO according to me when it comes to ranking your website higher. So here we have on-page SEO. Optimize your web page's content and HTML code for more relevant traffic and higher search ranking. Here we have this person. I will do on-page SEO with Rank, Math Pro, and Technical. So most of the time, different freelancers also show us that what is their field of expertise and what they can actually do. A platform, for example, Google Analytics. Then we have Rank, Math, Yoast SEO. So if they have a preferred, platform, they will let us know. Or if you have a preferred platform or a website that you can, let them know. They work on all the website. If it's a Squarespace website, WordPress website, don't worry about it. Even e-commerce stores such as WooCommerce and Shopify. For example, this one, I will do Shopify SEO to increase sales. And this is like, I think, $30 right here, or maybe $25. So let's open this up. Let me show you how you hire someone on Fiverr. You can see this is their gig. First of all, shout out to all the people that I'm mentioning here. You can see it's a gig. They have created a well written gig. Then we have their prices here, a basic, standard, or a premium. They have mentioned other gigs too, and then we have stars. So they have 5 star, like 400 5 stars. That is pretty impressive. So what we can do is we will be able to hire them from here. You just contact them. You can see continue, contact seller, and you hire them for your SEO. And I will ask him to work on page SEO, and this way I will outsource my work. Then this person will take care of my on page SEO, and I will just sit back and relax and pay them $30 or $25. Now you can see we can hire different people. We have off page SEO, on page SEO, keyword search, of course, technical SEO. You can now go ahead and check them out. Then we have a full SEO package. Now, I would actually suggest you guys to go for a full SEO package if you have some budget, because this way you will not have to deal with different people. You will not have to deal with a person dealing with on page SEO, then off page SEO. So that's like a whole team there. Instead, you can hire one person with a full package. Of course, the budget now is going to be a little higher than the other one, but still we can find people for like $100 or maybe $200. That's it, or maybe even 1,000 if you want to go for more, and if you are looking for a pro verified freelancer. So you can see right here, this person is charging like maybe $100 here. A 5 star review is available. Then we have this role, I will improve your keyword ranking. So what they're doing is they have a full package for us. So what they are doing is they are giving us on page SEO, off page SEO. Then there you can see technical SEO, keyword search, everything in one package. So that is why they're actually charging a little more, and but that's like dealing with one person. So you can do this if you do not have time and you want to outsource your SEO. So freelancing is actually the easiest way to outsource your SEO. There are other ways too. For example, contacting an agency or using a third party tool, but if you're not familiar with the tools, that will not help you. They will consume your time. So we want to outsource our work. We want to give it to someone else. Then why not hire the skilled people available online? You don't have to, hire someone physically or, provide them with an office. They work according to their own tools. You don't have to give them anything. All they do is, yes, they provide you services online, and you can go ahead and check out Fiverr.com. Similarly, you can go ahead and check out Upwork.com, which is also a freelancing platform, and any freelancing platform is okay, and all of the skilled people are available there. Go ahead and check out their niche for SEO, search engine optimization. You can also customize your search by selecting the service option, the budget according to you, and hire the best person you think can handle your website or your e-commerce business. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help. And now you know how to outsource your SEO of your website. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.